Everyone talks about launching an online store, but most guides make it sound like starting a Shopify store is way more complicated than it actually is. The truth? Your first sale doesn't depend on theory, it comes from execution. Hey there, I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and I'm here to cut through the noise for you. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to build a Shopify store the easy way in 2026. We'll go over everything from validating your idea to getting your store ready for customers. Here's the summarized process in just the right order. First step, validating your idea. The biggest mistake beginners make when learning how to start a Shopify store is jumping straight into design. Successful stores solve a problem. So first, you want to verify you're aiming at a relevant problem and that your products/services actually solve it. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and even Reddit discussions to see what real customers are searching for. Step 2. Deciding on a business model. Take the time to work out exactly how your store will actually operate. Your business model shapes everything. For example, dropshipping is a popular one because suppliers ship directly to customers, which keeps startup costs very low. Digital products or subscriptions remove physical logistics entirely. For example, selling ebooks, courses, or memberships. High margin, no physical logistics. Your model defines your entire operational flow and the type of Shopify store that best fits your needs. Once your idea is validated, the next step is the actual Shopify store setup. For a new store, the basic Shopify plan almost always covers your needs. Keep in mind you can always upgrade later. Choose a fast, simple theme like Dawn or Craft to begin with. Simple themes usually convert better than flashy ones. Once you've picked out a domain name, connect it directly in your Shopify admin by clicking Domains under the Settings tab. Next, you need to configure your payments. All you need to do is click Payments under Settings and activate Shopify Payments. Finally, set up shipping zones and tax settings so your store is operational from day one. Your product pages are the most important part of your store. Most visitors land here first. Make these pages your best work. Focus on benefits, not just features. Answer the question every customer has. What will this product do for me? Use clear titles, bullet points, and high-quality product images from multiple angles. If you're dropshipping, order a sample product and take your own photos. This is a great way to instantly build trust. A better presentation often beats the lowest priced option. Next step, before launching your store, run a few critical checks. Use Shopify's bogus gateway in test mode to simulate a full purchase. Receive the confirmation email. Make sure you experience the customer's exact journey. Then, review your entire store on mobile. Test loading speed, tap targets, and image clarity. Keep in mind that over half of all traffic comes from mobile. Most of your visitors will come from their phones. Finally, connect analytics so you can track sessions, add to cart actions, and conversions from day one. You cannot improve what you do not measure. Now, launching your store isn't the finish line. It's the beginning of your learning phase. The first 30 days are where real data starts shaping your business. Start by sharing your store with friends, social networks, or niche communities. Then, focus on just one marketing channel, not 5. Whether it's Google Ads or Instagram, learn what works before spreading your budget thin. Watch the right metrics, sessions, add to cart rate, and checkout starts. These show where customers actually engage and where they drop off. Improve one single thing every week. A better product description, clearer photos, or adding customer reviews. Growth comes from steady, incremental improvements. Over time, you'll move from just running a store to building a real brand. Now you know how to start a Shopify store the right way. Validate, build, launch, and improve consistently. If you're serious about building a successful Shopify store, subscribe to the Shop Ninjas channel for more practical e-commerce strategies and check out our solutions for online business owners.